TaoTao Racer 50. Today I want to talk about something that I did. I installed a USB charger so I can charge my phone. It's right here. It got two USB. I don't know if you guys can see it. And this thing right here for the cigarette lighting charger. So I buy that thing on Walmart.com, and I was gonna connect it on the battery, but I did it and I didn't like it because when the motorcycle was off, the USB it was still on, and I didn't want the USB to be on when the motorcycle is off. And so I was looking for a cable that it was gonna work just when the motorcycle is on, because I don't want to do any damage to the battery. So I found a cable right there that only work when the motorcycle is on. So I connect the red cable on that one, and the black cable, which is the negative, I connect it on a bulb. I don't know if you guys can see it, like right there. And it was working fine and no problem. It worked only when the motorcycle is on. I don't know if you guys can see it right now. The light is on. But the problem that I got right now is that yesterday it was raining a little bit, and this system got wet. Just a little bit wet, but right now it's not working. So I was happy, and you know, you see right now I connect the cable and the phone is not showing that it's charging. So it got wet and now it's not working. So if you guys gonna do something like that, do it. It will work. It's gonna be fine. You guys gonna be happy, but just make sure that it's not gonna get wet. Or you can put it in a place that it's not gonna get wet. I didn't have it there either. I just have it there to show you guys. But the way I had it was like something like that. I had it like that, like in the side. And yeah, so that's something, you know, that you guys can do. Just make sure it doesn't get wet. This, you know, to me is something really good because, you know, I'm able to charge my phone, to charge my GoPro, and sometimes I use a GPS. I got a GPS, so it works with the GPS too. So, you know, if you guys gonna buy something like that, make sure it's waterproof or something. or put it in a place that it's not gonna get wet. So TaoTao Racer 50, this video it was to talk about the USB charger. Right here, you can get those on Walmart.com or in Amazon. They sell them on Amazon too. And it's easy. It has two cables only, the positive and negative, red and black. And some people do it straight to the battery, but like that the bus still, you know, stay on even if the motorcycle is on. I mean, even if the motorcycle is off. And you know, I found a cable right there that only work when the motorcycle is on. So that is a advice to you guys. Find a cable that only is gonna work when the motorcycle is on, and it's not gonna stay on when the motorcycle is up. So TaoTao Racer 50, a review of the USB charger port. Please unsubscribe and hit that button like, it will help. And I'll see you guys later. I will put more videos talking about this motorcycle because I know you guys like it, and I will be driving to show how this motorcycle works with the big board kit. See you guys later. Like and subscribe.